In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get results from Microsoft Forms with ease in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a teacher, a business professional, or just someone trying to gather feedback, Microsoft Forms is a fantastic tool to collect and analyze responses on the go. First things first, we want to open our preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once it's open, we'll go ahead and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. You'll see the Microsoft Forms link appear in the search results. Click on it to proceed to the Microsoft Forms homepage. The next step is to sign in. You're going to need your Microsoft account credentials for this. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is straightforward and free. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be directed to your Microsoft Forms dashboard, where all your forms are conveniently stored. Let's now locate the form from which we want to get results. Of course, this could be a new form you've created, or an existing one that has been collecting responses for some time. Click on the form to open it, and this will bring into view all the options related to that specific form. Right at the top, you'll notice a tab labeled Responses. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on this Responses tab to see a summary of all the responses you've received so far. Here, you'll find a wealth of information such as the total number of responses, the average time it took respondents to complete the form, and even some automated charts or graphs for each question. These visualizations make interpreting the data a whole lot easier and are incredibly helpful for spotting trends at a glance. Now, if you're interested in diving deeper, you have the option to check individual results. By selecting this, you can see detailed answers for each respondent, along with their names and the time they submitted the form. This feature is particularly useful if you're tracking responses for specific purposes, like monitoring attendance or logging feedback from a specific event. Sometimes, you might want a closer look at how people responded to a single question. For this, simply select More Details next to the desired question, which allows you to focus solely on the responses for that question. It's a great way to drill down into specifics and garner insights for improvement or analysis. For those looking to perform more advanced analysis, Microsoft Forms offers an excellent feature. By selecting Open in Excel, you can download all your form responses into an Excel file. This file is fully editable, meaning you can manipulate the data as needed, create pivot tables, or even use formulas for in-depth analysis. It's incredibly helpful for those who need to present data in meetings or create custom reports. And there you have it, a simple guide to extracting valuable insights from Microsoft Forms. With these steps, you'll master getting results effectively and efficiently, making your data collection processes much smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing.